The Ajax Armored Fighting Vehicle, developed by General Dynamics UK for the British Army, is a state-of-the-art combat platform designed for power, protection, and versatility. Armed with a 40mm autocannon, it delivers substantial firepower while its advanced armor safeguard against small arms, improvised explosive devices, and rocket-propelled grenades. With a maximum speed of 70 km per hour, the vehicle offers excellent mobility and performance across rugged and demanding terrains. Its sophisticated sensor suite, including thermal imaging and laser range finding, enhances battlefield awareness and effectiveness during both reconnaissance and direct combat missions. Several specialized variants, such as the Ares designed for troop transport and the Athena configured for command and control operations, further extend its operational capabilities and adaptability in diverse scenarios. Although its development has faced delays stemming from technical difficulties, the Ajax is expected to greatly improve the British Army's combat power, resilience, and overall mission effectiveness in the years ahead. The Thunder BV is a next-generation hybrid UAV that integrates the vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) abilities of a multicopter with the long-range endurance and high-speed performance of a fixed-wing aircraft. This unique combination delivers exceptional flexibility, enabling effective operations in diverse environments, such as confined urban spaces, maritime zones, and challenging weather conditions. Developed by Bluebird Aero Systems, the Thunder BV is already in production and has been adopted for a wide range of military and commercial applications. Its design emphasizes adaptability and reliability, ensuring consistent performance across both tactical and civilian missions. By merging advanced aerodynamics with robust engineering, the Thunder BV provides users with extended operational reach without sacrificing maneuverability. Its ability to seamlessly switch between vertical and horizontal flight modes makes it highly efficient for surveillance, reconnaissance, and logistics support. With its innovative approach and multi-role functionality, the Thunder BV stands out as a valuable solution for organizations seeking cutting-edge unmanned aerial vehicle capabilities. Overland AI is advancing the limits of off-road autonomy with state-of-the-art AI-powered vehicle systems engineered to operate in rugged and unpredictable terrains. These autonomous vehicles are purpose-built to traverse challenging environments such as deserts, mountains, and dense forests, making them highly suitable for military, industrial, and exploration missions. Equipped with cutting-edge artificial intelligence, Overland AI systems analyze terrain conditions, identify and avoid obstacles, and make real-time decisions that ensure smooth, safe, and efficient operations without requiring human intervention. This capability greatly enhances safety by minimizing risks to personnel in hazardous areas while simultaneously improving mission effectiveness and efficiency. The technology is adaptable across multiple platforms, ranging from compact reconnaissance units to large-scale transport vehicles, providing unmatched flexibility and reliability. By combining durability, intelligence, and operational versatility, Overland AI is transforming the future of off-road exploration and setting new benchmarks for autonomous mobility in demanding environments. The Viper 40 Micro Tactical UAS is a cutting-edge drone engineered specifically for military and tactical missions, delivering vital real-time intelligence and reconnaissance capabilities. Its compact, lightweight design allows soldiers to easily carry and rapidly deploy it, making it highly effective in fast-paced operational environments. Outfitted with advanced high-resolution cameras and thermal imaging systems, the Viper 40 provides clear, detailed visuals in both day and night conditions, enabling accurate monitoring of enemy activity and terrain features. Its ability to fly at low altitudes with minimal noise enhances stealth, reducing the risk of detection during critical missions. The drone can be operated manually for precision control or function autonomously by following pre-programmed waypoints, including automated return-to-base capability. Built with durability and ruggedness in mind, it is designed to withstand demanding field conditions. offering exceptional versatility, situational awareness, and tactical advantage. The Viper 40 is an indispensable asset for modern battlefield intelligence. The Zodiac MilPro FC470 is a high-performance inflatable boat specifically designed for military and professional operations, combining exceptional durability with proven reliability. Measuring 4.7 meters in length, it is constructed from tough materials such as Hypalon or neoprene, ensuring resistance to harsh environments and the ability to endure heavy, sustained use. Powered by robust outboard engines, the FC470 delivers impressive speed, agility, and rapid maneuverability, making it highly effective for fast response missions. Its deep V-hull design enhances stability and ensures a smooth ride, even in rough or unpredictable waters, providing confidence and safety for operators. The boat's versatile layout allows customization with a wide range of mission-specific accessories, adapting it for roles such as military deployment, law enforcement duties, and search and rescue operations. Dependable, rugged, and versatile, the Zodiac MilPro FC470 stands out as a trusted solution for demanding maritime tasks where performance and adaptability are critical. The NH-90C is a cutting-edge multi-role helicopter developed by NH Industries, specifically engineered for naval operations and designed to deliver exceptional versatility across a wide range of maritime missions. Highly regarded for its performance in both anti-submarine warfare (ASW) and search and rescue (SAR) roles, the NH-90C integrates advanced avionics and state-of-the-art sensors to provide superior situational awareness, precise targeting, and overall mission effectiveness. Its rugged construction ensures dependable performance even in harsh sea conditions, while the spacious, modular cabin allows for flexible configurations to support personnel transport, cargo handling, or specialized mission equipment. Powered by strong, efficient engines and equipped with advanced flight control systems, the NH-90C is capable of operating seamlessly from naval vessels, maintaining high levels of stability and maneuverability in demanding maritime environments. Combining reliability, adaptability, and advanced technology, it serves as a vital asset for modern naval forces, significantly enhancing operational capability at sea. The Bell 360 is a next-generation military helicopter engineered to perform a wide spectrum of advanced missions with unmatched capability and efficiency. Designed with cutting-edge technology, it combines powerful engines and refined aerodynamics to deliver superior speed, agility, and maneuverability on the battlefield. Outfitted with state-of-the-art avionics and advanced navigation systems, the Bell 360 enhances situational awareness, mission precision, and overall effectiveness. Its adaptable design enables rapid reconfiguration for diverse roles such as reconnaissance, tactical operations, and search and rescue missions, ensuring maximum operational flexibility. Emphasizing stealth and survivability, the helicopter features a reduced radar and acoustic signature, allowing it to remain effective even in heavily contested environments. Inside, the modern cockpit and ergonomic cabin are designed for safety, efficiency, and crew comfort during long-duration missions. With its blend of performance, stealth, and versatility, the Bell 360 stands as a crucial asset for modern military and security forces worldwide. Stend, a company specializing in human-guided autonomous drone operating systems for military and law enforcement, has introduced the second generation of its indoor tactical SUAS platform, the Extender. This groundbreaking micro-tactical ISR system is designed with resilient indoor and outdoor navigation capabilities, enhanced by advanced AI, enabling operators to complete missions remotely with precision and reliability. Powered by Skylord Sense, Stend's unique human-centric operating system, the Extender provides full localization and situational awareness, allowing users to remain in control while minimizing exposure to danger. The platform integrates cutting-edge virtual and augmented reality (VR/AR) technologies with sophisticated AI and machine learning flight algorithms, creating an intuitive and immersive control experience. By merging these innovations, the Extender effectively brings elements of the metaverse into the modern battlefield, transforming the way tactical missions are executed and offering military and security forces a powerful advantage in complex operational environments. The Rheinmetall HX-3 tactical truck is a modern, highly versatile, and modular military vehicle designed to address the varied transportation requirements of today's armed forces. As the latest member of the HX family developed by Rheinmetall manned military vehicles, the HX-3 builds on a proven legacy while introducing advanced capabilities. Its modular architecture enables rapid reconfiguration for multiple roles, including troop transport, cargo hauling, and artillery towing, ensuring adaptability across a wide range of missions. To enhance operational safety, the HX-3 is equipped with features such as electronic stability control, anti-lock braking systems, and other driver assist technologies that improve handling in challenging conditions. Known for its durability and performance, the truck has been adopted by several militaries worldwide, including the German, British, and Australian armies. Combining reliability, flexibility, and modern safety systems, the Rheinmetall HX-3 stands out as a vital logistics and support asset, significantly strengthening the effectiveness of contemporary military operations. The AMIG AI Fusion Mobile Integrated Guard System is a next-generation, AI-powered security platform designed to deliver real-time, comprehensive protection across diverse environments. By combining advanced artificial intelligence with mobile technology, AMIG significantly enhances situational awareness through capabilities such as facial recognition, motion detection, and predictive analytics, enabling rapid identification and response to potential threats. Its mobile integration allows security personnel to monitor locations remotely, receive live updates, and act quickly, ensuring both flexibility and efficiency in dynamic situations. Highly adaptable, the system is well suited for deployment in industrial facilities, public spaces, and critical infrastructure, where reliable and continuous protection is essential. By introducing automation and intelligence into security operations, the AMIG system improves overall safety standards while reducing reliance on manual intervention. Offering a blend of innovation, versatility, and responsiveness, it represents a transformative advancement in modern security technology and operational effectiveness. The Mobile Communications Center, MCC-1, is a fully equipped mobile command unit engineered to deliver reliable, secure, and uninterrupted communication in critical and high-pressure situations. Designed for rapid deployment, the MCC-1 functions as a central hub for coordinating field operations, offering real-time connectivity across multiple communication channels, including satellite, radio, and internet networks. Its advanced systems ensure continuous communication even in remote locations or during emergency conditions, making it an indispensable asset when conventional infrastructure is unavailable or compromised. The MCC-1 is particularly well suited for disaster response, military missions, and large-scale public events, where effective coordination between on-ground teams and command centers is vital. With its robust construction and mobile design, it provides flexibility and resilience, ensuring essential communication infrastructure can be quickly established wherever it is required. Combining mobility, dependability, and advanced technology, the MCC-1 strengthens operational effectiveness in the most demanding environments. The Aeronautics Orbiter 2 ISR is a high-performance tactical unmanned aerial system, UES, specifically developed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions. Compact, lightweight, and highly portable, it is designed to deliver extended flight endurance while maintaining reliable performance across diverse environments, making it an excellent tool for real-time battlefield data collection. Outfitted with advanced sensors and high-resolution cameras, The Orbiter 2 ISR provides operators with detailed imagery and live video feeds, greatly enhancing situational awareness and decision-making in complex missions. Its quiet operation and low visual signature ensure discrete deployment, allowing it to conduct missions effectively without drawing attention, an advantage in both military and security operations. Easy to transport, assemble, and launch, the system is optimized for rapid deployment and swift mission turnaround. With its combination of endurance, stealth, and advanced technology, the Orbiter 2 ISR stands out as a versatile and reliable asset for fast-paced tactical operations. The Anduril Ghost Shark is a cutting-edge autonomous underwater vehicle, AUV, designed to meet the demanding needs of modern military and defense operations, with a primary focus on intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions. Developed by Anduril Industries, this advanced system is capable of operating independently in both deep and shallow waters, providing real-time data collection and enhanced situational awareness. Its sleek, stealth-oriented design and low acoustic signature make it exceptionally difficult to detect, enabling discrete intelligence gathering in contested maritime environments. Outfitted with advanced sensors and AI-driven navigation systems, the Ghost Shark can execute complex tasks such as submarine tracking, seabed monitoring, and underwater activity surveillance without requiring human intervention. By combining autonomy, stealth, and intelligence, the Anduril Ghost Shark significantly strengthens naval capabilities, offering a reliable and versatile asset that enhances underwater security, operational effectiveness, and maritime domain awareness for modern naval forces. The Rogue One Lethal Unmanned Aerial System, UAS, is an advanced combat drone engineered for precision strikes and high-risk tactical missions in complex operational environments. Designed specifically for lethal operations, it integrates cutting-edge technology with autonomous capabilities, enabling it to execute missions with minimal human oversight. Outfitted with high-resolution sensors and sophisticated targeting systems, Rogue One delivers pinpoint accuracy in identifying and engaging targets, ensuring maximum effectiveness while minimizing collateral damage. Its stealth-oriented design, coupled with powerful payload options, makes it highly effective for offensive operations, while its adaptability allows seamless performance across varied terrains and weather conditions. Built to reduce risks for personnel while increasing mission efficiency, Rogue One enhances operational flexibility and provides commanders with a reliable tool for modern warfare. By combining lethality, precision, and autonomy, it stands as a critical asset in strengthening combat effectiveness and supporting decisive tactical outcomes.